To create effective Depop bundles, start by understanding what a bundle is, which is a collection of items sold together at a discounted price. Begin by selecting items that are related or complementary to each other, such as clothing items from the same brand or similar accessories. Choose items that are in good condition and have a clear demand on the platform. Take high-quality photos of each item from different angles and make sure to show any flaws or defects. Write detailed descriptions of each item, including the material, size, and condition. Next, determine the price of each item individually and then calculate the discounted price for the bundle. A general rule of thumb is to offer a 10 to 20% discount on the total price of the items. When bought together, create a listing for the bundle, including all the photos and descriptions of the individual items. Make sure to clearly state that it is a bundle and specify the items included. Use relevant keywords in the title and description to help buyers find the bundle when searching for related items. When a buyer purchases the bundle, make sure to package the items securely and ship them promptly. Consider offering free shipping or discounted shipping rates for bundles to make them more attractive to buyers. To promote the bundle, share the listing on social media platforms and engage with potential buyers by responding to comments and messages. Collaborate with other Depop sellers to cross-promote each other's bundles and reach a wider audience. By following these steps and best practices, you can create effective Depop bundles that attract buyers and increase sales. Remember to stay organized, provide excellent customer service, and continually monitor and adjust your bundling strategy to optimize results.